Welcome to the third module in the Promote the Ethical Use of Data-Driven Technologies course. This week, we explore types of bias, and I have the pleasure of being your instructor to help build your foundational knowledge of ethics. Nell Watson has joined me to discuss why laying this foundation is important to you as a future leader of ethically driven technology organizations. Thank you, Nell. Now, if you Google artificial intelligence and ethics, the word bias appears in a lot of the article titles. Why is that?
Bias within machine learning is one of the greatest questions of our age, and it's one that so many people have deep concerns about. Machine learning and algorithms based upon it are directing our lives in different ways, often without us realizing, whether we are figuring out who to connect to on a social network or perhaps how we get across town. Machines are influencing us and influencing our perceptions and our personal as well as professional lives. It's very important that we make sure that these technologies are fair. They need to be audited carefully to ensure that any bias within them is minimized.
Thank you, Nell, for helping us understand why that word bias shows up so often in those searches. What are some of the primary causes of bias in data-driven technologies?
Bias can sneak into data-driven technologies in a number of ways. Sometimes a data set may be not as comprehensive as it would need to be in order to properly reflect reality. Sometimes existing decisions or perceptions that people have tagged information with can also end up in there, and those can be re-perpetuated again by machines. This can be a tricky process to audit. It takes care and attention, and that's why we should never sacrifice that in the name of efficiency.
Thank you so much, and thank you for joining me in introducing this week's lessons. And we will learn more about different types of bias and how they can negatively impact data-driven technologies. Thank you, Nell, and I look forward to guiding you through the next week of lessons.